here we're going to look at the horizontal line test. So remember the vertical line test, if it passed, it meant it was a function. Once you know something is a function, you can decide whether it's what's called a one-to-one function. So we'll talk about that more for inverses, but something needs to be a one-to-one function. So each thing in the domain has just one thing in the range. They can't share answers like it can to just be a function. It needs to be a one-to-one function to have an inverse. So in the inverse topics, we'll look at that more. But the horizontal line test itself is fairly easy. Just like the vertical line test, you just picture a horizontal line passing across this. Are there any points that would fall on the same horizontal line? So looking at this first one, if I picture a horizontal line, I don't see any points that would be on the same horizontal line. So not only is this a function, but it's also a one-to-one function. So this one, and sometimes with the single dots you have to be careful. This one's at 4, this one's at 3, this one's at -1, so none of those are on the same horizontal line, so that means it is one-to-one. It passes the horizontal line test. A line definitely passes. And then here, here's 2 points that are on the same horizontal line, so that one fails the horizontal line test, so it's not one-to-one. And so then picture this one. There's plenty of places that are on the same horizontal line since it's this wave that keeps repeating. So no, that one's not one-to-one. And then same thing here, notice like a parabola. That passes the vertical line test. It's a function. But horizontal lines, there's lots of points that are on the same horizontal line. So it doesn't pass the horizontal line test.